Hey everyone, the kind people at Fosi hooked me up with their C3 AI gaming sound card packed with some seriously impressive features and specs. Firstly, it has StepSense, an AI-driven positional audio enhancement technology built to help pinpoint footsteps in FPS games, and I'm very eager to test it out, delivering high-resolution audio up to 32-bit, 384 kHz. Can this little device convince me to completely ditch my £600 gaming headset? There's only one way to find out. Taking the C3 out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the high quality metal construction. It feels very robust and well made. Built with a solid CNC aluminium alloy chassis, it has a reassuring weight to it, and it takes up virtually no space on my desk. The build quality is top tier. Fosi gave the front plate a comfortable 5-degree upwards angle, making it easier to use the dials while I'm knee deep in a match. Over to the right edge, you'll find two smooth vertical faders with a satisfying amount of mechanical resistance. Having independent physical controls right next to my fingertips makes it easier to adjust the volume and mic compared to a headset or DAC that I've ever owned before. Next to both faders is also 4 physical face buttons. These allow you to cycle through audio modes, inputs and settings. And on the back there's an on-off switch, one USB Type-C port for powering and connecting to a PC. There's also one optical in, a coaxial in and an RCS port. Overall it has many features, more than a standard DAC, making it a fully functioning sound card. Speaking of the DAC, inside the chassis is some seriously impressive hardware. Fosi packed the C3 with a high-end CS43-131 chip. Plus there's an XMOS XU316 USB interface. It supports high-resolution audio up to 32-bit 384 kHz and DSD 256, and can easily push up to 320 milliwatts per channel into a 32 ohm headphone, and that's impressive. I paired the C3 with an Audio-Technica M50X headphones, and the audio quality is next level. The native sound profile here is remarkably clean. When you're sitting back listening to music or single-player games in hi-fi mode, the instrument separation is crisp, the soundstage feels wide, and the details in the mid-range are beautifully balanced. It punches way above its weight class, delivering an authentic audiophile experience that completely outclasses any headset at this price point. Switching to its dedicated hi-fi mode unlocks the full potential of this device. Streaming tracks at 96 kHz or diving into high quality audio files reveals an incredible amount of depth that completely transforms how my music sounds. Right, so how good is the C3 for positional audio? Playing several FPS games, I found it super reliable when it starts getting chaotic in game. Turning on the StepSense feature actually helped make footsteps more defined. It's a nice feature to have, and that's coming from someone who normally turns surround sound completely off. Footsteps and reloading sounds pop right out, making it easier to figure out if an enemy is running around the corner or sneaking up behind you. It gives a real competitive edge without making the game sound weird or hollow. The audio is very direct, loud and precise. On Battlefield 6 I had fun for hours hiding in sneaky spots, waiting for people to walk right past me. I love the overall simplistic nature of headsets, but there's a clear difference in audio quality here, even with a mid-range pair of headphones. When bullets start flying and the chaos erupts, being able to pinpoint exactly where an enemy is hiding helps so much in game. It lets you react a split second faster than other players just by listening to audio cues. Moving on to the microphone, I used a lav mic to test, but a device like this is dying out to be paired up with a mod mic. I will definitely get one in. Great audio is only part of doing well as a team if your teammates can't hear you clearly. The C3 handles this with an integrated AI-powered noise reduction algorithm designed to strip out environmental interference. When you plug your microphone in, the onboard processor actively filters out persistent background sounds like mechanical keyboard clatter and PC fans, or even room echo from an untreated room, leaving your voice sounding clean and isolated. Okay guys, this is a microphone test. This is with noise cancellation off. I'm going to turn it on in a second so you can see how that sounds and mess around with the keyboard. I'm just going to turn it on now. And this is with noise cancellation completely on. It should get rid of a lot of the background noise. I've got my PC going pretty loud at the moment so I can really hear if it cancels out background noise, but this is me messing on my keyboard. Yeah, it doesn't look like that's picking anything up. I'm just going to click my mouse as well. So, is the Fosi C3 worth it? Well, for what you get, it certainly isn't cheap. The overall build quality and sound it delivers is top notch. While the AI footsteps marketing sounds like another gimmick on paper, the hardware backing it up is genuinely legitimate. It comes with satisfying physical controls, a solid mic noise reduction system, and delivers performance that punches way above its price point. My overall rating is going to be an 8.5 out of 10. Personally, I feel this device is top tier and it will remain on my desk for a long time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you feel like checking out some of my other content, these are some of my best videos. I generally review what interests me, so you'll see all sorts of tech related content with the aim to be professional and concise as possible. Well, sometimes. Anyway, my name's Mark from SilencedTech. Goodbye.